You'll need the following tools: an impact with a 1/4 inch hex, a mallet, a 1/4 inch hex T10, T20, needle nose pliers, small flathead screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Start by removing the vent covers. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry them away from the end caps. Use an impact with a 1/4 inch hex to loosen the end cap bolts. Then use the 1/4 inch hex driver to remove the bolts by hand. Remove both ends. Now, using the Torx 20 star bit, remove all 14 cover bolts. Lift off the top half of the cover and move the power cord. Disconnect the 4 switch terminals and carefully remove the black pod from the outer shell. Using the needle nose pliers, disconnect the brush terminal. With a small flathead screwdriver, pull back the spring cover and pull out the old brush. Holding back the spring cover, insert the new brush with the terminal wire nearest to the back end of the motor. Reconnect the brush terminal. Reconnect all 4 switch terminals. The power cord terminals attached to the open side of the switch and the motor terminals attached to the closed side of the switch. Position the pod back into the cover, being very careful with the fan. Assure that the fan spins freely and no fan blades are bent. Put the power cord back into position and assure that the flat side is facing upward. Replace the shell and press it into a snug fit. Using the Torx 20 star bit, replace the 14 cover screws. Reattach the front end cap to the motor body. Be sure to align the cover with the end cap so that the top and the bottom flanges fit properly into the end cap. Put the end cap back into position. Add a drop of blue Loctite to the threaded end of each end cap bolt and hand tighten. Finally, reattach the vent covers on both ends by pressing them firmly with your hands or gently tapping with a mallet. Thanks for watching.